Levent, how do you go to work?
I drive my car. What about you?
I take the bus.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Today, we're learning about transportation.
How we travel from one place to another.
Car, bus, train, bicycle, and more.
Let's learn together.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so, Levent, are you ready?
Transportation vocabulary, land.
Transportation number 1, car.
A car is a vehicle with 4 wheels. Very common.
Now you say it. Car.
I drive a car to work. Transportation number 2, bus.
A bus is a large vehicle that carries many people. Now you say it. Bus.
I take the bus every day.
Transportation number 3, train.
A train runs on railroad tracks. Good for long distances.
Now you say it. Train.
Trains are fast and comfortable.
Transportation number 4, subway or metro.
A subway is an underground train in big cities.
Now you say it. Subway.
The subway is very fast.
Transportation number 5, taxi.
A taxi is a car you pay to ride in.
Now you say it. Taxi.
I take a taxi when I'm in a hurry.
Transportation number 6, bicycle or bike.
A bicycle has 2 wheels. You pedal it.
Now you say it. Bicycle.
Riding a bicycle is healthy and eco-friendly.
Transportation number 7, motorcycle.
A motorcycle is like a bicycle, but with an engine. Faster.
Now you say it. Motorcycle.
Motorcycles are popular in many countries.
Transportation number 8, walking.
Walking means going on foot, using your legs.
Now you say it. Walking.
I walk to the store. It's nearby.
Great. Now let's learn about air and water transportation.
Transportation vocabulary, air and water.
Transportation number 9, airplane or plane.
An airplane flies in the sky for long distances.
Now you say it. Airplane.
I take a plane when I travel to other countries.
Transportation number 10, helicopter.
A helicopter can fly up and down. Very useful.
Now you say it. Helicopter.
Helicopters are used for emergencies.
Transportation number 11, boat.
A boat travels on water, small or big.
Now you say it. Boat.
We took a boat to the island.
Transportation number 12, ship.
A ship is a very large boat for ocean travel.
Now you say it. Ship.
Ships can carry many people and cargo.
Transportation number 13, ferry.
A ferry carries people and cars across water.
Now you say it. Ferry.
We take the ferry to cross the river.
Excellent.
How to talk about transportation.
We use different verbs with different transportation.
Let's learn which verb to use.
Use drive for car, motorcycle, truck.
For example, I drive a car.
I drive to work.
Now you say it. I drive. Use ride for bicycle, motorcycle, horse.
For example, I ride a bicycle.
I ride my bike to school.
Now you say it. I ride. Use take for bus, train, subway, taxi, plane.
For example, I take the bus.
I take the train to work.
I take a taxi to the airport.
Now you say it. I take.
How will you get to Istanbul?
I'll take a plane. It's too far to drive.
Good choice. How long is the flight?
About 11 hours.
Too long. Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Let's say it again. How will you get to Istanbul?
I'll take a plane. It's too far to drive.
Good choice. How long is the flight?
About 11 hours.
Too long. Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Conversation 3, around the city.
How do you usually get around the city?
I take the bus or ride my bicycle.
Which is faster?
The bicycle is faster in traffic.
That's smart. And healthy, too.
Yes, exactly.
Let's say it again. How do you usually get around the city?
I take the bus or ride my bicycle.
Which is faster?
The bicycle is faster in traffic.
That's smart. And healthy, too.
Yes, exactly.
Conversation 4. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
You can take the number 5 bus or walk. It's only 10 minutes.
I think I'll walk. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's say it again.
Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
You can take the number 5 bus or walk. It's only 10 minutes.
I think I'll walk. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Practice 1. Name the transportation.
What is this?
It's a bus.
What is this?
It's an airplane.
What is this?
It's a bicycle.
Practice 2. Choose the correct verb.
I blank a car. Drive, take, ride.
I drive a car.
I blank the bus. Drive, take, ride.
I take the bus.
I blank a bicycle. Drive, take, ride.
I ride a bicycle.
I blank to school. Walk, drive, take.
I walk to school. Practice 3. Your transportation.
Now tell us about your transportation.
How do you go to work or school?
Do you have a car?
Do you ride a bicycle?
What's your favorite way to travel?
Great.
Excellent work today.
You learned so much about transportation.
Land, car, bus, train, subway, taxi, bicycle, motorcycle.
Air, airplane, helicopter.
Water, boat, ship, ferry.
And walking.
Important verbs, drive, ride, take, walk, go by.
And the question, how do you go to?
Now you can talk about transportation.
In the next episode, we're learning about places in the city.
Bank, hospital, post office, and more.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Comment. Tell us, how do you go to work or school?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye.
Goodbye.